Good day, Math C class. We are going to discuss the slope-intercept form. Previously, we spoke about how to find the slope of a line. And all we need to find the slope of the line is 2 points. And then we use the change over y over the change over x. So today we're going to look at how do we look at a graph. No, I meant to say, how do we graph a line by just looking at the equation of the line? And it's very important that that line be in y-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. B will be where the line crosses the x-axis, while m will always be your slope, your rise over your run. So let's do a quick overview of what's involved in graphing this line. Once you've identified the slope and the y-intercept in an equation, it is very easy to graph it. To graph y equals 3x plus b, let's follow these steps. First, plot the y-intercept. In this case, if I had my y-intercept form equation, that 5 is actually b, and I know that my b is where the line crosses the y-axis. So the y-intercept is 0, 5. So my blue dot represents 0, 5. Now I can simplify rise over run to plot the next point. So my 3x represents 3 units up for rise for my y-axis, and the 1, because remember, when we have 3 over 1, when we have 3, it's the same thing as saying 3 over 1 in a fraction. So my green area here represents my rise, where I go up 3 units, and my red represents my run, where I move to the right 1 unit. So now that I have my 2 points, I make my straight line, and I am ready to go. So this is basically how you plot a line using your slope-intercept equation. Let's try this one. Actually, this is not the example I want to show you because I put the wrong graph. Let's go to the next page. Okay, this one. Let's try 4y equals x plus 12. But however, is this in y-intercept form? No, it's not. I need to get that 4 to the right side. And the way that I do that, I can divide 4y divided by 4, and that gets rid of the 4 on the left side, and then I'm left with y. Then I divide x divided by 4 plus 12 divided by 4. So then my y-intercept is now y equals x over 4 plus 3. So I know what my y-intercept is. It's 3. So if you notice, the first dot on the y-axis is my y-intercept, and that represents 3. My slope is 1 over 4. So I'm going to move my green line, goes straight up, representing 1 unit up. And my run is the red, representing 4 units to the right. I have my 2 points, and now I have my straight line. So basically, if you want to graph a line, you must put your graph must come from the y-intercept form. And that basically means y equals mx plus b. M is your slope, we already know, change of y over change of x, and b is where it crosses over your y-axis. Here is one more example. We have 5x plus y equals negative 4. And for this one, again, you would need to change it to y-intercept form, making sure everything is on the left is Y and all the other numbers are on the right. But I just wanted to show you one example of it for today. What I would like for you to do is you can review Unit 4, Lesson 1 for another refresher on Y-intercept form. And if you still have questions about creating a line graph based off the Y-intercept form, please just K-mail me and you will be a part of my small group on Friday. Thank you and have a wonderful day.